In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove indent in Google Docs. This is useful when text gets accidentally indented from pasting content or pressing tab by mistake. So let me show you how you can remove this. As you can see, I have indent on all of my paragraphs. If you want to remove all of those indents, you can simply press Command A or Control A on your keyboard to select everything. And then you can click on this clear formatting option, or you can use this shortcut. And this is going to remove all of the formattings and indents. Or another way, what you can do, you can go to Format, then Align and Indent, Indentation Options, and here you want to make sure there is 0, 0, and here under Special Indentant, you want to choose 0 as well. Click on Apply, and now you don't have any indentation. Or what you can do, you can also move those shapes on this ruler at the top of your page. So now I have this first line indent. I'm going to select the paragraph. I'm going to drag this rectangle on top of this triangle, and this means it's going to remove the first line indent. And you can do that, of course, with everything, like every paragraph. So that's basically it. If you found this video helpful, consider subscribing for more tutorials like this one.